You can't tell. That's a pretty big bird. This dude is big. Watch when he starts flying, you'll see what I'm talking about. Look at him. Look at him. He's getting ready. He's getting ready. Go ahead, bird. Show him. Oh, you ain't gonna do it this time? You don't understand. This is a big bird. I don't know what kind of bird this is. Somebody please let me know. What is it? It looks like an owl mixed with like some kind of eagle or something. It's crazy. Hey bird. Hey bird. You just gonna ignore me? Just gonna ignore me, just gonna look. Okay, there you go. Now you're looking at me. What's up, bird? What's up, bird? Say something to the camera. Oh, he said something right there. He opened his mouth. You can't really see, but he opened his mouth. Come on, bird. Come on, bird. Oh, look at this freaking bird. This bird that lost his mind.